Hello everyone, I am Devesh Pandey, faculty of BAJMC from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture topic on camera angles and shots. Now, what is camera angles? Camera angles is the relationship between the camera and the object being captured gives emotional information to an audience and guides their judgment about the character or object in shot. The more extreme the angle, the more symbolic and heavily loaded the shot. Each shot requires placing the camera in the best position for viewing the scan. This positioning of camera, especially camera angle, determines both the audience, viewpoint and area covered in the shot. To achieve the desired angle within the frame, the camera must be placed at the appropriate level, low angle. When the camera is below the subject, that is low angle. The camera will make whatever it is looking seem big. It also gives a general sense of dramatic intensity and sometimes makes a subject seem threatening. High angle. When the camera is above the subject looking down to it, that is the high angle shot. The psychology behind the shot is the reverse of the low angle shot. High angle shots make a subject look smaller. To show weakness, a high angle shot is appropriate. Eye level angle. These shots are best for close-up of people, meant to depict a general scan. It may provide a natural narrative position or it may support a high impact challenging situation. The camera position at eye level invites the viewer to read the shot rather than respond to it emotionally, as would be the case with either a high or a low angle shot. The bird's eye view. These shots are seen from directly overhead, a very unnatural and strange angle. Familiar objects viewed from this angle might seem totally unrecognizable at first. This shot does, however, put the audience in a god-like position, looking down on the action. People can be made to look insignificant, anti-like part of a wider scheme or things. Camera lenses. A camera lens is a curved piece of transparent glass that focuses an image in a camera. A camera lens is not a single lens, but a combination of lenses to bend the light entering the camera in such a way that it can be captured on film. Depending on the shape and size of the lens, many different photographic effects can be achieved. First, normal lens. A normal lens gives a viewpoint that is very close to what is seen by the human eye. It has very little distortion. Second, telephoto lens. A telephoto lens or narrow angle lens is designed to have a focal length. The subject appears much closer than normal, but you can see only a smaller part of scan. Third, zoom lens. Most video camera comes with the familiar zoom lens systems, which is a remarkably flexible production tool. At any given settings within its range, the zoom lens behaves like a prime lens of that focal length. Fourth, wide angle. A wide angle lens has a short focal length that takes in correspondingly more of the scan. However, subjects will look much further away and the depth and distance appear exaggerated. The camera functions. The function of the lens in the camera is to direct the light source to the camera sensor and also to focus your image. A camera lens uses refraction to focus light on the area where the film is located inside the camera. Refraction is caused by the change in the direction of light as it passes through the covered glass. Important things for lens. First, check the smoothness of focusing action from close-up up to infinity. Second, check focus when fully zoomed in and when zoomed out. Third, pre-focus on a distant subject and then slowly zoom out, checking that focus does not wander. I hope you understand on the topic of camera, angles and shots. Thank you very much.